Upgrade the interior of your late model Chevrolet truck or SUV with these signature rubber mats from Lloyd Mats. The custom-fit rubber mats are vehicle-specific for the ultimate style, fit, and protection. The rubber mats are designed to look great, but perform even better. The rubber mats have raised edges and molded wells to keep dirt, grime, snow, and spills on the mats and away from your interior. The floor mats shown are designed to fit the 2021 to 2026 Chevrolet Tahoe. The mats feature the popular Chevrolet Bowtie logo in gold. The front floor mats feature nibbed backing and built-in anchors that match your vehicle's factory floor post location for better fit and security. The signature rubber mats are easy to install. Simply anchor the front floor mats in place using the factory floor posts. Roll out the second row floor mat and position for best coverage. The mats are made of rubberized vinyl that is durable, fade-resistant, and easy to clean. The mats can be removed from the car and hosed off or wiped clean as needed. The Lloyd Mats signature rubber mats are available for most popular General Motors and Dodge vehicles with select logos and applications. Visit our website to see the latest offerings from Lloyd Mats and California Car Cover.